DJI microphone and you're trying to connect it to your MIMO app on your Android phone but having issues, this video will hopefully fix the issue for you. So I have a DJI Mic Mini and I've connected it through Bluetooth. Now if I go to Profile and Device Management, it still says device unavailable, connect to device or bind device to account. There's unfortunately more steps you got to do to connect your phone to the app and your phone. So once it's connected through Bluetooth, you should be able to go down to this camera icon down in the center of the screen, and it'll come up with a note once you click on it saying that it needs to access a few other things like location and devices. So if we go OK, click on then precise location and do it while using the app, and then go allow to find nearby devices, and this will allow you to connect it directly to the phone. So if we click that icon again, it will show up with the device. There is a second thing you can do if you want to do it manually. Just go to your app permissions, and then you'll see where it's got allowed, location, nearby devices, and other features for the application. And as long as they're all selected, it will now allow you to go to the app and for it to automatically find and connect to the device. Anyway, it's as simple as doing that, and hopefully that helps, and thanks for watching.